Today we are in Kyoto, and Irina and I are getting ready for a tea ceremony with some friends from back home. Tea ceremony, yes?
Yep.
I'm assuming it's here.
This batch of debutantes.
It's like...
Yes, 3:30 p.m.
Can I check your confirmation?
Yes, you can.
3:30, and you're changing into kimono first. 12 ladies in that building, and hold your naman in service building.
Okay.
Got your shoes. Alright, we're here for the tea ceremony.
Okay.
So could you wait for me outside?
Everybody get their fancy socks on? Could your feet actually fit on this thing?
These are no shows.
The size okay?
I can hear Irina.
But I want to
It's no problem.
stop under the
Somewhere else now?
Irina, how you doing?
Like a boring black one? Come on.
What are you guys doing?
I don't know. He's like
I knew you were gonna do something very colorful
posing with his pouch.
with his pouch.
Yes. He's loving
Sean, if
the
you want to
pouch.
pose with your pouch, it goes like this. That's what I'm doing. I'm posing with my. Well, this is.
Here you go.
This
That's
is
good.
a different
this
thing.
Is good. Japanese Jesus. That's good. That's a good pose.
It's a very cute kimono you have there.
You like mine?
That's very cute. Look at
Thank you.
Yeah.
it. Hey, hello. Come here often.
Oh, very often. Come on, do something else.
My superstar.
Let's do that. Let's do that. Yes, this is perfection.
Gotcha.
It's a video.
Perfect. All right.
Like the 18th century when nobody smiles.
Yep.
I have to smile. I can't not smile.
Yeah, it's very cute.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Told to be quiet. Everywhere we go in Japan, she's just too loud.
This thing is covering the camera.
A couple more.
It's my comfort zone.
Suck it in. 1, 2, 3.
Are you please? 3, 2, 1.
Konnichiwa. It's a garden up here.
Did you take off your wristbands?
Don't know.
You're gonna try to sit down. Alright. There's no way. There's no way I can sit.
The way I can sit like this. Not even for the picture.
Well, this was a little embarrassing. Most of us were not flexible enough to be able to sit on our knees for even about 2 seconds.
You have like a pillow in the bed.
There's
Do you
no
have
way.
a towel or something to put under the...
Instead of photo.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. One more time. 3, 2, 1. Smile. Good. じゃあこれビデオのことも言った方がいいですかね、during the session.
Specifically, when you said be quiet. Yeah. For this next part, the actual tea ceremony, they asked us not to film, but they did allow us to take pictures. So they start the whole ceremony by showing you how the water is prepared, how the tea is prepared, and how you appropriately froth the tea so that you get this nice foam at the very top. Then we were each given our own tea set with a little delicious snack, and we got to try our own hand at frothing the tea, some of us being less successful than others. I appreciate how lovely the ladies were, how patient and kind they were with us, making sure that we all had an amazing experience during the tea ceremony. job. Whatever that rice thingy was very good.
Yeah.
Don't hit your head on the light fixture.
I'm sorry. Sir, excuse me, sir. Here.
What is this over here?
Huh.
Hey Sean, you got flashbacks from last night over here? Alright, let's go. Oh Lord. Yeah, it's a very cool garden out here. It's right outside the tea ceremony room.
Yeah.
What is Irina doing? Look at her. She's posing. I don't know what Irina's doing. Oh, she's posing. No. I should probably go join her. My services are over here, Sapan. This way. I think my services are required in the posing room. What? You doing this by yourself without me?
Come here.
Yeah.
This is my
Okay.
husband.
There.
I have something very special for you over here.
What?
On the right side.
Here?
Yes, straight ahead. On the left.
What?
Flashbacks from last night.
Oh my god, I know. I saw that. Oh, I want this.
Yes, you can grab yourself a parasol. Irina, a small one.
I
Irina,
don't know. I didn't know that that's bigger or smaller.
Supposed to look delicate and dainty.
Irina's getting lessons on how to pose. I have to say how incredible patient they were with us, taking picture after picture, which seemed like forever, especially for some of us in our group. Irina's getting pose and style lessons from our professional photographer over here.
You should be a professional.
It's made from paper. It's definitely not a rain umbrella.
Oh, sorry, this is left. On my right.
Yeah.
Be ladylike here.
3, 2, 1.
Delicate. Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Well, that was a fun and unique and interesting
It was
experience.
a very cool experience. Really enjoyed it. It was
Yeah.
a nice tea ceremony. I
And they
feel
were
like we
so-
owe this lady who was photographing us. We owe her money
Right.
for the
Sapa knows her
photography
money.
services.
Hold on, this guy's trying to
we
back
all
up in the
owe her
middle of the
money.
road here.
She did such a fabulous job.
Yeah, she was very nice. Well, that was fun.
And now we are getting ready for a 2 Michelin star dinner at the restaurant called Rio Shop.
Yeah. But before we do that, we're gonna have to walk to this old traditional neighborhood with all these akayas. So that'll be a nice walk. Yeah, this little neighborhood here is where all the little restaurants are. Like this whole street this way and that way. And then we're gonna go through this little alley. And that's gonna take us to another street with even more little restaurants and izakayas. It's like they have these alleys here every few houses, and then goes up to the second and third floor. Little restaurants everywhere. Hello. And you come out this way. It's just restaurants as far as you can see down this way, and as far as you can see down this way. You got restaurants on the first floor, you got different restaurants on the second floor.
Hold on, I want to take a picture of the tiger.
Now the tiger.
Yeah, it looks cool.
This little alley and a couple other ones kind of go on for about a mile or so in both directions. And there's a pet store with fish.
Yeah, goldfish.
A goldfish store. And just, yeah.
Those are samurai swords that sail over there.
Lots of little interesting things everywhere. And little restaurants.
On to the next little thing. And also we've got to get back.
Look at this place here on the second floor. It's got palm trees. It's a pretty cool little street. And then over here is the waterfront. Yeah, there's a very cool view over here, over the other side of the river. It's beautiful.